Yield farming on MarginX can be a good way to get more stable returns compared to other ways of providing liquidity. Here's an easy guide to get started. First up, head to the Farm section on MarginX. You'll see a bunch of different farming pools listed there. Each one shows you its APR, annual percentage rate, and APY, annual percentage yield, so you can pick the best one for you. We're going to work with the FX-USDT pool for this example. Make sure you've got enough FX and USDT in your wallet before you start. Click Deposit and then Add FX-USDT liquidity. It's pretty much the same as adding liquidity in other pools. Say you want to put in 5 USDT. The amount of FX you need gets figured out for you depending on what the price is right now. After you put in how much you want to add, hit Confirm Supply and OK the transaction in your wallet. You'll get some LP tokens for doing this. Once your transaction goes through, you can find your pool under the Pools tab. But to really get into yield farming, you need to use those LP tokens you just got. Go back to the Farm section and hit Deposit again. This time, you're putting in those FXV2 LP tokens. Click to add all your LP tokens to the pool. You might have to say yes to a couple of things both on MarginX and in your wallet. Now you're all done. You've added your liquidity to MarginX farms. If you check the Farm section, you'll see the pools you're active in. Hit the Manage button to see more about each pool. Inside each pool, you can grab your WFX, wrapped FX rewards, or put in more liquidity whenever you like. Just remember, you need to have both parts of the pair ready based on the current prices. If you decide to pull out, you'll get back your original FX and USDT plus any WFX rewards you earned. And there you have it, a simple way to start yield farming on MarginX using your Keplr wallet. Remember, like all things in crypto, there are risks, so make sure you know what you're getting into. Happy farming!